Alright guys, Gussie Pooh here with a rerun review of The Battle of Naboo. Yes, doing this review because I have a better camera and that's good. And now I'm going to do the box. Let me just get the box. Alright, I got the box. So, it's Lego Star Wars, of course, Captain Rex, and the back 7 to 12. Set number is 7929. The Battle of Naboo, 241 pieces. There's a picture, and then there's minifigures. You get Jar Jar Binks, Gungan Soldier, 2 pilot droids, and 8 regular battle droids. And then it says new Jar Jar Binks and Gungan Soldier. So yeah, in the back has some other sets probably will be getting. And then there's the feature, and there's the minifigure. There is the feature, the thing inside out, and there's a picture there. Like a Star Wars Captain Rex. It's everywhere, man. Seriously. Right, now, Lego Star Wars again. That's out of the box. Now, on to the minifigures. First, you get the annoying Jar Jar Binks. Yes, he's back. And this time he's better than ever because he has more detailing on his head and more colory there. His torso. He has the flesh colored arms. It's pretty cool. And he has some legs. He has this. And he does have a little bit of back printing there, so that's good too. And then he has those blue things. Alright, that was Jar Jar. Now on to the Gungan Soldier, which is a really good minifigure. He has the sword, the stick, blue thing here. He has a shield, a yellow, purple shield. He has the torso, brown tank top torso, and the flesh colored arms. He does have some back printing back there, but not a lot. He has these tan legs, so he has the same head as Jar Jar. Alright, that was minifigures. Oh wait, I need to get to the droids. See the droids? They're the pilot droids. So yeah, there's okay, someone just fainted in my house. Yeah, someone just fainted, so, yep. Yep. So I'm going to continue with the review. The blue guy, then the blue torso, just... I need to do this with 2 hands. Alright, got it. Right. The main feature of the set is there's a light there, it has some horns, some vents, and then this thing can slide out like this. Like, it can slide out, like you have to take this, you have to take, hang on, one of the droids fell out. Stupid droid. Come on. What you do is you have to take this, you have to pull it out like that. And there's the battle droid holder rack. And it has some battle droids on it. So yeah, and what you do to get it back in is you have to take this, you have to slide it, and then it stays. So that was the review of the Battle in the Moon. Quick news, I got a Lego Harry Potter set. I got the Night Bus. I'm going to do the review after I see the Harry Potter movie, Deathly Hallows, Part 2. So I'm gonna see that, and then I'm gonna do a review of this set. So expect a review on the Night Bus Lego Harry Potter set. Bye.